Right, well, this is our third day in Austria, and today we're moving on to Budapest, Hungary. We sat here in the first class carriage of a Hungarian Railways train bound for Budapest. And as you can see over here is the Austrian Railways train. I'm not sure of where it goes to, so I'm sorry I don't know that. Right, let me show you. This is the like first class. This is the compartment car. They haven't attached the second class car yet. I should just show you that. There we go. We have some red seats. Hungary's red. They're a very different train from an Austrian Railways because they're not as plush. They haven't got leather interior, and they're quite standard. So, luggage compartment. The chairs just slide out slightly, but otherwise it's not enormously first class standard. There you go. All trains from all over the place come here. As usual, I'll show you more on the way as we go along. Dad's just studying the guidebook of Budapest. As we've got such a long time, 3 hours, he thought he might catch up on a little bit of reading. There you go, that train goes to Villach. Well, two trains have just arrived. This one's just arriving now. I wonder where that comes from. Where does it come Austrian Railways train. There we go. After a 15-minute delay, actually more than that, we're finally off. So we say goodbye Vienna, Austria, and hello Budapest, Hungary. Bye bye Vienna. just entering
Hungarian flag.
Hegyeshalom. Let me just show you. There you go. We're at Hegyeshalom. We're a little bit behind schedule. As you can see, I'll show you in a sec. There's the Hungarian flag, so I think we're in Hungary now. It's nice and sunny. This is the Hungarian border. So, welcome to Hungary. Off we go. It's now another 200 kilometers to Budapest. Going alright so far, except we're a little bit delayed. Well, we seem to have picked up speed quickly. This is Győr Station in Hungary. And we're just entering it now. Győr. Here we are, we're at Győr Station.
Yeah, you might have some companies there with people getting on.
That's
Budapest Keleti.
There we go, we're off now. just leaving Budapest Kelenföld. Yeah, we're going into Keleti Boo. There it is. Station.
Here we are, Budapest. Right, put your camera away, come on.
Here we are. Here at the hotel.